Shut up and sit down.
So I've just come off Mako. That is absolutely amazing. Make sure your stroller's folded, otherwise your stuff can get a little bit touchy.
Probably exactly what I'm thinking right now.
So this is what happens when there's a rainstorm. Wicker Man looks insane. Just look at it.
Thank you, Nacho Bob. Woo!
Enough dance.
One of you is the leader.
Well, give that up quick, didn't you?
What's your name?
Rob.
Rob. Hi, Rob.
Hi.
I'm me.
But now, it's 2019, and it's nearly time for another year of fun. The close season has been painful for everybody. It's now sort of middle of February, and Blackpool opens this weekend. I've never been to Blackpool before. I'm going to make the 3 to 4 hour car journey this weekend. Going up on the Sunday. Couldn't quite make the Saturday for various reasons, but yeah, going on the Sunday. Looking forward to it. Getting to ride loads of new coasters. This year I am going to be concentrating on meeting new people, because I feel like I'm going to a lot of these events. It's kind of just me doing the vlogging. I feel like I need to expand that and sort of, yeah, get to meet new people and, you know, who share the same interests as me. I've been very fortunate enough for Mr. BigPermTV to invite me along to come and spend the day with him, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, he can show me around the park and show me some of the rides and what it's all about. So yeah, I'm hoping to see some others down there. Hopefully AirtimeJohn will be there, but it depends on his circumstances. So this weekend we've got Blackpool, and then I've managed to secure some tickets for the pass holders event for Legoland. That was a palaver. That's like, they go live and then they sell out just like that. It's like within a minute they've all gone. The Chessington ones tried to get as well, missed out on those. They sold out too quick. So Monday is the next time some more go on sale, so fingers crossed, get it for them, because that'll be good to get both of them. It'll be the Chessington on the Saturday and then the Legoland on the Sunday, so it'll be good to get them both. What do you want? So we've got the tickets for Legoland. We're just trying to get the Chessington ones. Hopefully we'll get some of them on Monday, fingers crossed, because that is intense. If you've never tried to do that, that is intense. You are on edge. Like the second that thing goes live, you're there, you're trying to get them. It's pretty hardcore. So we're going to be heading down to Fantasy Island on Saturday the 23rd of March, which is like my closest theme park. That's where I went as a child. If you've ever tried doing vlogs with children around, it's never on impossible. Because they're like minions. I think that's where they got the idea for minions from, was just small children. Because they just make random noises and just appear everywhere. Say hello.
Hello.
So yeah, for the main opening weekend, we've got Fantasy Island on the Saturday, and then Alton Towers on the Sunday, and then Friday the 29th of March is Thorpe Park opening, so gonna head down to Thorpe Park to check that one out. So I cannot wait to start going back to theme parks again. The weekends have just been so boring because there's been nothing to do. The weather's been not that great, and yeah, we need to get some roller coasters in. We need to get back on the rides, back on park. So for 2019 we haven't got any trips booked as such. I'm just sort of winging it, seeing what happens. We don't know. I would like to get across out to Europe at some point to just go to some sort of park out there. I'm not sure what, I've not booked anything, but it would be nice. So make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with everything that we're going to be getting up to in 2019. I'm already looking forward to Halloween. So until Blackpool on Sunday, I'll see you later.